You're probably wondering, how do I use Google Charts in Sprout? Let's start by dragging the Google Chart icon into our Sprout. It's located under the Services section, under Components. Doing this adds a Google Charts menu to the Properties panel. The first thing you want to decide is what kind of chart you want to use. You can choose from a variety of different styles. I'm going to go with stacked bar chart, and I'm going to choose vertical instead of horizontal. I'm going to pick a bar size and a color. Today feels like green. To add data, you put the values of the vertical bars in the Datasets section, separated by a comma. We're going to put in the breakdown of grades in a classroom. The X data will run along the bottom of your chart. After you input all your data, you then have to name your data. For this chart, the X labels are the names of the bars, A, B, C, D, F, for the grades. There are extra functions also available, such as lines, stripes, and lined fill to add a little depth to the chart. Let's look at the difference between a stacked and grouped bar chart when you put a second set of data in. Click on the plus button next to the Data Sets section. It will add another data section. When you add a second data set to the stacked bar chart, the second data appears on top of the first. When you make that a grouped bar chart, the bar is placed next to each other for comparison. We can also change the style to line, or 2D pie chart, or a 3D pie chart. It's handy for showing proportions. And that's how you add Google Charts to your Sprout.